Well, here's the monstrosity, and my big mistake was looking at the chain and it looking like it's straight, and it tricked me. That chain's like a snake, and it sure did trick me, because I gotta cut these two straps off here now, because this one don't work good enough for a tensioner, and this one might be too short, because this has to come that way, a good 1/4 of an inch or better. I'd say about a 1/4 of an inch, and it'd probably ride real well, because I noticed that the chain on the back cog here is hugging towards the rim side of the teeth. If you look where the teeth are on the back sprocket, you'll see the teeth, what side they're hugging on. It looks like it's wanting to go to the spokes. Now we don't want that, you know, and obviously it's because this is not lined up, so you bring it this another 1/4 of an inch that way, and that'll help that problem there to be more centered. This here will be more centered there. It'll have less resistance and actually feel like it's freewheeling. So this is what's going on here at Warrior Cycles. Thanks for dropping by.